So I'm going to go over the difference between a Whatnot auction and an eBay auction. eBay auctions, you can do from 1 to 7 days. On Whatnot, you can sell anything between 15 seconds and 5 minutes. You do have to be live, but the listing process is a lot quicker and you get direct access to customers over here. So I just have a stream open right now. This is actually live. So I actually did take a screenshot of one that sold. It sold for $48. It's a first edition shadowless Gasly CGC 9 with no subgrades. So check this out. So I actually looked this up on eBay under the sold, and we look here, and there's a 9 that sold with no subgrades for $39. And what's crazy is this one sold for 48. Okay. And then you have one here with subgrades sold for 90, 9.5 without subgrades sold for 60. So as far as market value and my experience selling, so let's hold on a second and I'll open up my store, Game Elements. I've sold 52,548 items so far. And I'm going to tell you that if you do it the right way, you can get at market or above market prices. Some items will go below, some will go above, but at the end of the day, it will even out. And eBay is less and less of the share of the market as more and more marketplaces chip away, including Whatnot. So the prices that sell on here will be less and less the deciding factor of the market value of a card. Plus, you have the entertainment value on Whatnot and the perceived value of certain things. Plus, you get that live confirmation of this is exactly what you're getting in the exact condition at all angles under light in a video format. So you may be more confident to get that and bid against somebody else and bid it a little bit higher. As far as a cash flow position, the ability to sell a card or an item in 15 seconds and continue to do that is insane. Now with eBay, I know that let's say you sell a card that goes into payment processing, and that's generally done within a day or two. And then the funds are available, and then you can get those released automatically daily if you'd like. And then those funds take 1 to 3 business days as well. Sometimes more. Sometimes it's not instant, but I've gotten them the next day. So you're looking at, let's say you did a 1 day auction and they charge you $1 for it. You may or may not get the same price. It might be lower because it's exposed to less people. And then you got to wait between 1 and 3 days for processing. I think it's 1 day. And then a few days as well for the payment to be sent to your bank account. So I forgot to mention on eBay, which is crazy, is once an auction sells, you don't get paid immediately. Sometimes they don't pay. From my experience, 5, maybe 10% of people, they don't pay for the cards. So not only do they have up to, let's say a fair amount would be 7 days, 7 to 11 days. That's a fair amount because people can combine shipping if they buy multiple auctions over the next few days. So we need to extend the payout a lot longer. So the payout could be, let's say 50%, 40% of the people pay like that night. So the next day you can ship that out. But the rest, some of them never pay, and some of them wait a day or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 7 days. It's insane. Absolutely insane. So we need to extend our payout period from 1 to 2 weeks on average. This is huge. From 2 days to 1 to 2 weeks. That is a game changer for cash flow in a business, especially when you get the same market value on Whatnot if you do it correctly. On Whatnot, which is cool, as soon as you ship the item out, those funds are available if you meet certain metrics. If you're a new seller, you get those funds released as soon as the item shows delivered with the tracking. And once you meet certain metrics, you can get those funds released right after you ship the item. So as soon as you ship it. So let's say the stream ends and you ship it, you can get those funds released and then PayPal them to yourself and instantly transfer them from PayPal to your bank account. So you can technically get that money in your bank account same day. And if you do PayPal, there's a small fee. But if you do the bank transfer, from my experience, it's 1 day. So I can sell a card in 15 seconds and get the money back guaranteed in 2 days. And if I really needed it, I can get it quicker. There are ways to do that if you want to pay a few percent in fees. So in my opinion, it is far superior. absolutely insane, game changer for cash flow. It has helped me increase my business. Yeah, not tenfold, but threefold, I would say, in the matter of 1 year. Again, I started in June, July, and we're selling now we sell about 3,500 items across two streams per week, about 700 a day. In my opinion, Whatnot auctions are far superior to eBay, not only from a seller perspective, but also a buyer perspective. You get that one-on-one. You can ask questions live and they will answer them for you. You get to see 3D video of your actual item. Far superior. Hope this video helps.